Back in August, PJ Tucker announced that he will be releasing his own Kobe 5 Proto by revealing a blue and purple PE. Dressed in a particle gray, light cream, sail, and white color scheme, look for the PJ Tucker Nike Kobe 5 Proto to release September 25th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $180 US. Now, I'm gonna go into resell places to cop this shoe, but before we do that, let's just go over this colorway. So for those of you who don't know who PJ Tucker is, he is a professional basketball player. He is arguably the biggest sneakerhead in the NBA. Dude's got crazy heat. He even plays in all these exclusive sneakers. He'll change out his shoes like 4 times a game. Most sneakerheads do know PJ Tucker just for that one reason. First glance, this looks like a what the colorway. You got greens, blues, reds, purple. You got polka dots on the Nike logo, red heel section in this mesh-like material. You got green laces. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the whole color scheme is just a bit much for me. I just feel like there's too much going on, too many colors. I still really like this shoe. It's a Kobe 5. I definitely will be going for this sneaker. With it being a PJ Tucker PE, I really thought this was gonna be a better colorway. I really believe they could have came up with something a little better than this, but it is what it is. I want as many Kobes in the collection as possible. Now, I don't want to resell any of them, but with that being said, there is going to be resell, and I'm not knocking anyone who resells this shoe. I totally get it. It's understandable. Now, as far as resale goes, on StockX, this shoe's going for around $300 to $400. I can see that price dropping a bit after release date, but I do think this shoe will have good resale potential. I can see this shoe reselling at $250 to $350 after release, and possibly with time going up even higher. I will be leaving places to cop the shoe in the description below, so check that out. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content, follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.